Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Phah University, Meghalaya.
Ka Union of Cook Com Helpers hapok ka PM Pushan Mid-Day Meal Scheme jong ka Jylla Meghalaya kila kerpat yo menteri rang badu kari India Narendra Modi ba Shimkhia hakabai day ba ka Jingdawa jong ki ban Kyntiew ya ka Bainong nak khandai spa sya ka khandai hajar nak bakren yakini ki Jing jong ki Nongshet Sngi haki school ha parliament ka balasdang ha ka arpho tarik unaitung aja punreu ka state president ka union ka kong Jina nengnong haki jengkren ba kilap thai kubor kalai thu ba ka jingwan ka menteri ka sorka pereng ka bakhmi ya ka tana platingka ka Nirmala Sitharaman kilayo ban penpaw ya kani kamat kumta menta ka Kyntiew kila kentu ya ka Nirmala bakan pusngau ha parliament ya ka Jingdawa jong ki Nongshet Sngi haki school.
We came forward today to humbly appeal and sincerely appeal to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji with regarding to enhance the decade-old honorarium which had not been revised for more than 20 years. So for regarding with this, so we in the last visit of the Union Minister in charge of Finance, Nirmala Sitharaman, which was in Jylla, we had a meeting with her and discussed regarding to enhance the honorarium. So from her, she informed us that the matters in the process from the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of the Education, but there's legal issues. So when we inquire about the legal issues, that she mentioned that somebody had went to the court. So maybe some high court in other state. So we had request her that since the matter had lying pending for more than 20 years, and the role of the cook cum helper, which is majority of them are women, especially for the northeastern region, we see that the contribution of the cook cum helper, they had give a major role in shaping the education part of in the region, and especially the primary school. So consider of this, we give a good example that we see northeast region before 2000, it's the regions fall in the militancy and the law and order problems. But once the scheme that the PM portion or earlier the midday meal had been implemented regularly, especially in Meghalaya also in the northeast region, we had experienced that most of the youth who had come in the primary school, now the situation has become peaceful. So the contribution of the cook cum helper through PM portion is helped to contain militancy and overall the region as a whole. So we have now the citizen become responsible towards the society. So based on this, we had humbly appealed the minister in the presence of the Masnya Dhar. He was there in the meeting, and including with Mala Akmen Ramboy, who is a minister in charge of education. So she had give us a patient hearing, and she had asking us to be patient. So on this, now we see that the government of India, there's a monsoon session is happening from today. So the Ministry also of Education and Finance, they are in the process. So we from the Union of Cook cum helper, as particularly for the northeast region, we appeal to all the MP of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha to kindly take an immediate action on this to enhance the honorarium from the union government share, which is for the region, northeast region, is at present is 900 per month. We paid in for 10 months in a year. So we had given a memorandum to Prime Minister and to the Ministry of Education also, and to even to the Ministry of Finance through Nirmala Sitharaman. So we had requests to enhance it from 900 to 9,000 from the union government share, and a special consideration for the northeast region of India. So this amount for us, if we compare it to the ratio which are given from the government of India to northeastern states, it's come 90:10. So from the government of Meghalaya, under the leadership of Conrad Sangma as the Chief Minister, had played a very major role for the welfare of the cook cum helper in Meghalaya, where it had enhanced on 2022 from 100 rupees per month. It had enhanced from state share to 1,100. So compare on this, we make a demand that the share from the union government this time it should be enhanced or increased. If the union government will not enhance this age-old, decade-old honorarium, so we from the Union of Cook Come Helper, which has the members of more than 20,000, as per government of Meghalaya record, we had given ultimatum if it's not been enhanced. So we from the union and all the Cook Come Helper in Meghalaya and even for the region will stop implement the scheme from the region. We are asking this to stop the implement of the scheme because that we cannot survive on this voluntarily for 900 only from Union Government. So we hope this time through the initiative of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and the Nirmala Sitarama, the Union Minister in charge, and all the MP of Northeast region and India as a whole, we hope this time that they will have the consider to enhance it. So finally on this, I just want to inform that as of now, among the northeastern state of India, Meghalaya had paid more than the other state, because here we receive 1,100 from the state share, and in Assam they get only 1,500, and in Arunachal also 1,500, other state Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram only 1,000. So Meghalaya income number one in consider payment of the honorarium from the state share, and all over India, Meghalaya become the rank of 5 in the Meghalaya because in India. So other state like the number one now Kerala and Delhi, where we get information that Kerala had paid around more than 12,000 per month, and Delhi, as a union territory, had paid more than 8,000. So this time we hope, we have a trust under the leadership of Narendra Modi, who always speak about the welfare of the women, the farmers, and all the youth, especially the marginal. So we hope he considered now for the Northeast region this time either enhance the honorarium from union government share to the Northeast region, or else stop implementation of the PM portion. So once it stopped, it become a liberty to all the Cook Come Helper. Then we have the free from all this burden, the tension which get by the Cook Come Helper.
Kumbang itip mo ba menta ka don ka parliament ka balas sedang na do menta ka Sngi ka bankut khat lai tadeng te kumta na kaliang ka jongi ngibu ka jingkerpat yo prime minister jongi Narendra Modi bat kumju ru ha ka ana ka benta ka kaliang jong education department ka ministry education department bakin pet kin shim ya kan ka kam ka jongi mo ka ba kumba mangi ka union jongi Union of Cook Come Helper PM Portion Meghalaya ngilabu ka jingkerpat bakin Kyntiew no ha bede ka ni ka jingsiu ka nakabha jong ka central share ka baki bu ka share ka dai handai pau percent ka central share ba chipo percent ka di na state share dan nakaliang jong ka state ngila de yo ya ka ba ha ka jingyalam khmat ka jong chief minister jongi Konrad ke sangma tingilayo ka jingsiu ka ba nakashis pa tingka la Kyntiew sya ka khatway spa te kumta hadu mentak laya jaki ar post nam nakaliang jong ka central share ngidang sa be khandai spa tingka te hakabayi dai bat kani na marka jingkiu jongki marba mo bat kapor ka jingslem jong kapor te nakaliang jongi ka union ngi kerpat bana ka khandai spa kan Kyntiew no sya ka khandai hajar bat kumtu kumba ka union finance minister ka bakalawan shani ngilayo kalat banya kendu nakaliang jongi ka union bat kum ka jingya kren kat kum ka jingya thu ka jong i ong ba ka kam ka proses kal ayat te kumta nakaliang ka jongi ngidon shisha kata ka jingkermen namar kat kum ka jingya thu ka jong i ba ka jingya kren kaladon hapadeng gani ka jingkerpat ka jongi te kumta nakaliang ka jongi ngibu ya ka jingkerpat ka nakaliang ka jongi ba kinshim ya kani ka kinbu ya kani kan long ka hakmat hakabaya dai banyak kren hakani ka parliament namar ba nakabenta jongi shani mo namar ba ngisngo ba kakam ka jongi ka long kawai ka benta ka bangin penbha ya ka imlang ka salang hakabaya dai ki khna school ki ba yo ya kani ka bam Sngi ki khna primary kini ki khna kin long ki ba ban wanra ya ka lawai ka babha haka imlang ka saalang namar ba kani ka skim kalong sisya ka ba yarap hadu kata-kata namar ba ya kilong yeng ki baduk ki ba kerdu mo ling ba kani ka jasngi ka ba kiyo man ka sngi ha school kumtangin long ba nginwan ra ngin kring ki kena ro bakin wan the star school bakin long kita ki brio ki ba ki ban long ki brio ki ba bha haka lawe ka ba kani ka lawe ka jongi Tikumtahi nakaliang ka jongi ngibu ka jingkerpat hakabayadai bat kani ka jingkerpat ka jongi kan longkum bangipen kan mau ya ka sorkar pedeng bakin keren ya kani hakani ka session ka ba kisdang menta kumbangi perkhat namar ka jingdawa jongi kal along bala aslem kat kum ka jingya ling baki jingtho kal along nakaliang jong ka all jantia kil apa na du arajar kat kendai kat ba nakaliang jongi ka union na du bangi form ya ka union te ha arajar arpusaw nilayo ban lej ya ban ya kendo ya secretary jong ka education ministry of education te kumta hinakaliang ka jongi kat kum ka jingya keren kat kum ka jingya kendo bat kibor kiba badai ban pej ngisngo ba prapo persen kal along kakam ngidon kata ka jingkermen bat kumta ro ha kajuk papor nakaliang ka jongi ngikwa ban penbha ya kani kakam lada ka jingpen kiyo kadon nakaliang ka jongi ro ngin penbha namar ba kani kakam kadlong sisya kata ka ba kabate ya ka imlang ka saalang te lada kampen kiyo pat nakaliang ka jongi ro ngiong kabha bakan wengno namar ba ngin long kita ki basya te mrau lada kani ka skim kaya ini kumju lada kimpen kiyo ngilong ban long bet bangi syate ha kani ka kakam mo te lada ki wengno kan long ka jinglaj lu yang nginyo balaj belasuk men siam pat syaki we ki jaka nakaliang ka jongi nakaliang jong central share ngiyo kendai spa bat nakaliang ka state kadai khatway spa kumtang ngiyo arhajar tingka si benai bat kata ka jingsiu kadai tang sipau benai ha ka sisnem bro si kata ngila sedang mo banyo man ubenai henrei menta pat kala long no nadu benai april ngimpat yo hadu menta te kala janya sau benai long ikhlem pat yo kan mentai ka jingsiu halor kani te ngila kerpat namar kat kum ka jingya keren ki ong ba ka penkelai kata ka sistem mo ban pha pisa den rei nakaliang ka jongi tengi penpau tang kata ba mangi nakaliang ka jongi ngila pendep ya kakam tengi kmi lenti ba kum ki badai pej lane nakaliang jong ka sorkar ro ngikerpat yo chief minister ba un pej halor kani ba kin pha kanya kata ka pisa ka ba mangi ngi dei ban yo namar ba ya kakam ngila dep ban pendep kata hi nadu benai April, May, June, temental ajan ya Julai dan long sau benai.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.